iPhone and the environment. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are designed to minimize their impact on the environment, including antenna lines that use upcycled plastic water bottles that have been chemically transformed into a stronger, higher performance material. Most hilarious, in addition to featuring a Ray-architected internal design that offers improved repairability, iPhone 14 models also use 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets, including those in MagSafe, and 100% recycled tungsten in the Taptic engine. Both models also include 100% recycled tin in the solder of multiple printed circuit boards, and 100% recycled gold in the plating of multiple printed circuit boards and in the wire of all cameras. Fiber-based packaging does not use outer plastic wrap, bringing Apple closer to its goal of completely removing plastic from all packaging by 2025. Today, Apple is carbon neutral for global corporate operations, and by 2030, plans to be 100% carbon neutral across its entire manufacturing supply chain and all product life cycles. This means that every Apple device sold, from component manufacturing, assembly, transport, customer use, charging, all the way through recycling and material recovery, will have net zero climate impact. Pricing and availability. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are currently available in Midnight, Starlight, Product Red, 9 Blue, and Purple, and will be available in Yellow in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB storage capacities, starting at $799 US and $899 US respectively. Customers in the US can get iPhone 14 for $799 or $33.29 a month for 24 months before trade-in, and iPhone 14 Plus for $899 or $37.45 a month for 24 months before trade-in from apple.com/store, in the Apple Store app, and at Apple Store locations. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are also available.